Whoa, back at it again with topic 8, genetic disorders this time around. So large-scale chromosomal alterations in humans and other mammals often lead to spontaneous abortions or miscarriages, or cause a variety of developmental disorders. Plants handle this better than animals do. And this leads to our first vocab word of this lesson, non-disjunction. Okay, that's when chromosomes fail to separate normally during meiosis. Okay, and this means that some gametes receive two of the same type of chromosome while the other receives no copy. Aneuploidy is the second vocab word, and this simply means that the organism has incorrect number of chromosomes, uh, resulting from the fertilization that involves gametes, which non-disjunction has occurred. So offspring with this condition have an abnormal number of a particular chromosome. So we can see that non-disjunction can happen in meiosis I and as well as meiosis II. So in meiosis I, non-disjunction leads to all daughter cells being aneuploid. Okay, so again, incorrect numbers in all daughter cells. Whereas if the non-disjunction happened at meiosis II, again, only half of the daughter cells result in being aneuploid. Okay, remember, aneuploid means that the gametes do not have the correct number of chromosomes, and fertilization of these gametes results in an organism with different number of chromosomes than with one would normally have. So alterations of chromosome number and structure are associated with some serious disorders. Some types of aneuploidy upset the genetic balance less than others, resulting in individuals surviving to birth and beyond. These surviving individuals have a set of symptoms or syndrome characteristic of that type of aneuploidy. The biggest example would be Down syndrome, which is an aneuploid condition that results from three copies of chromosome 21. It affects about 1 out of every 830 children born in the United States. The frequency of Down syndrome increases with the age of the mother. So on the AP exam, you might have to read a karyotype. And so this right here is a karyotype. It shows the number of chromosomes per chromosome type. So there are a total of 46 chromosomes in us humans, and we can see it here. But with Down syndrome, we have an extra chromosome there at chromosome 21. Non-disjunction of sex chromosomes produces a variety of aneuploid conditions. The first one would be Klinefelter syndrome, which is a result of an extra chromosome in a male, so XXY. Another one would be males born with an extra Y chromosome, and it does not exhibit any defined syndrome. Another example would be females with trisomy X, so a third X. And this has no unusual physical features except for being slightly taller than average. And monosomy X, or Turner syndrome, produces XO females who are sterile. So by looking at all these karyotypes, we do see Klinefelter syndrome here with that extra X chromosome. We have Turner syndrome here with just one X chromosome. And then we have the XYY syndrome with an extra Y chromosome. There could be other genetic disorders that occur due to the breakage of the chromosomes or major alterations of the chromosomal structure. So, breakage of the chromosome can lead to four types of changes in chromosome structure. So, a deletion removes a chromosomal fragment, Duplication repeats a segment slightly, making it longer. Inversion reverses the orientation of a segment within a chromosome, potentially affecting the genes. And then translocation moves a segment from one chromosome to the next, again, slightly altering the size of the chromosome and whatnot. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good one.